Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here with my son Logan.
What's up?
And behind us is Young's High Bridge. It's a 240-foot tall bridge that we are going to be bungee jumping off of today.
Yep.
Logan did this 2 years ago. I watched, I just filmed, I didn't jump.
I missed out.
But I said, man, I've always wanted to do that. And so we were contacted by the good folks at Vertigo Bungee, and they got a reporter who's doing a story about people that bungee jump off of here. And so they're going to be interviewing Logan, and he and I are we're both going to jump today. Logan, what do you think?
This is actually kicking in like way more than I remember. Last time I don't remember being that scared, but now looking at it, especially from this angle, I am terrified right now. But you know what? We'll live. Probably.
And what a great father-son activity. We're standing now on a bridge across from the bridge. This is the kind of the low bridge. This is probably only 150 feet tall. We're gonna be jumping off of the big one. And so excited to do this. Great father-son experience, and something I've always wanted to do. I bungee jumped probably 20 years ago in Pigeon Forge off like a little crane. It was probably like 50 feet, and it was scary. In fact, I think I have a video clip of it. Here it is. And so we're going to jump. If you want to see Logan's first jump, you can check out this video clip. I'll link to it right here. And
it'll be in this corner or this corner somewhere.
Yeah, and that's, I think, probably this corner.
Although it's mirrored, so it might be up here.
So maybe, so we'll figure it out.
Yeah, I think it's up here.
But he did that when he was 14. This is, I think, the only place you can bungee jump like this anywhere east of the Mississippi River. And
especially off of a bridge.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. And certainly one of the only legal places. I guess you can just hook up a bungee anywhere you want and jump off, but it's legal to do it here. And they only do it a few weekends a year. A great team from the West Coast that owns this bridge, and they come out and do this. And so we're excited for a fun, adventurous morning.
Yeah.
So there's a reporter named Rob Davis who's actually out of New Orleans and is doing a story about Vertigo Bungee. And so we're out here a couple hours early to meet up with him, and he wanted to interview Logan a little bit for what we're doing.
And how are you feeling today about the jump?
I don't know why, but today my heart is pounding a little bit more than when I first did this 2 years ago. Like, I was like not really thinking about it. It didn't really kick in, but this time it's like really kicking in, and especially since it's been so long, I forgot a little bit.
You know, when Logan was young, he was really struggling. We went through a hard time too, his parents, for a little bit. And we said, you know, what are they really telling us? Logan is special. We know Logan is special. And just putting him in a position whenever possible to do things that made him proud of himself has been, if there's any part of it that we've had that we're proud of, is that, you know, having the wisdom, thank goodness, when he was younger, to support what he was doing, and instead of coddling him and shielding him from the world, putting him in a position where he could overcome the challenges of the world.
Yeah, 100%. And
so you came here to do a particular thing. We're getting ready to go do that thing, so when it's time to do it, let's just do it. Hesitation while you're out there is not going to help anything.
Besides Logan, has anyone else jumped before? Everyone's first time, awesome. Well, you won't know the difference, but we're definitely going right to the top shelf. We've been doing this a long time. Me and Mike started in Lake Tahoe in 1990, and then we moved up to Washington State, met Jason and Doug. Along the way, we jumped 82 different bridges, so we got a lot of experience. The system is all hooked up, like I said, of everything the whole way. Basically, we look at the force load that we put on as a jumper, and then it's 10 times that breaking strength. So we've never had a system failure, ever. We have a routine for how the things get hooked up, how you get hooked up, so it goes through multiple hands. There's never just one person doing anything. We've always stuck with that. Our main factor, of course, is safety. We want everyone to be safe.
All right, we're walking out to the bridge.
Yeah.
What you thinking, Logan?
Hasn't totally hit me yet. I don't know why, but it's probably just because we don't see the bridge yet. I'm just kind of chilling right now, but once we get to the edge, I'm probably
Gonna freak a little bit.
Back for more, huh?
Yep.
Good to see you.
Logan, how you feeling, bro?
It's kicking in a little bit, just looking down. I don't know why, but the water being like so flat, there's like no ripples at all. So it just looks like you're diving into nothing. That like makes it so much scarier. But I'm honestly glad I'm scared this time because I haven't felt like this in a while, so it feels good. Look at that. How you feeling?
They said I'm going first.
Woo! How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Nice.
Excited. Yeah. Haven't gotten nervous yet. Maybe when I step out to the edge.
Yeah. Since I got the harness, I've gotten a little bit more nervous, but I don't know.
All right, looks like we got some people harnessed, so we're going to start the session. First off, if you didn't catch the name of the bridge, it is called the Young's High Bridge. We're standing 240 feet above the Kentucky River, and yes, it is a bungee jump. So it is rubber bands that you're attached to, and we put everybody right down there close to the river, so you can't expect to be within 10 feet of the water, all right? So it's important to think about this as a diving experience, not a jumping experience, okay? You are going to be diving off of this bridge. Make sure that your head leads the rest of your body, okay? Again, this is bungee jumping. You guys are the pilots. You're not on a roller coaster. You're not tandem skydiving. It's all you that exits off, okay? We are there to help you. We got all the gear set up. You guys can trust our experience and the equipment. In exchange, we trust you guys can follow the simple instructions, okay?
About ready? You gonna do the countdown?
Yep, I'll give you a countdown.
Hands down first inside.
Yep, here we go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy crap.
Okay.
So you guys about ready? You gonna do the countdown?
Yep, I'll give you a countdown.
Hands down first inside.
Yep, here we go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. All up.
He had a lot of hang time. I can hear him laughing. That's amazing. That was awesome. Whew. Alright, now I gotta grab that. Alright. Now they're gonna pull me up. Just hanging here upside down, seeing the world. Oh, that was exhilarating. He's just straight chilling. Just chilling with the rope.
Hi there. Come on down, we're gonna get you in the morning.
I heard them honking.
Exhilarating.
I'm so much more scared than last time.
You're like
I don't know
shaking.
why.
You're shaking, dude.
Yeah.
Let's see your hand.
The hands aren't that bad. but
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cold is a part of it.
You excited though?
Oh yeah. All right, I'm up next. I don't know why I'm so much more scared this time than the last one, but you know what? Time to send it.
Welcome back again.
Can you tell the people what's he about to do? What's a head dip?
Logan's about to head dip. That means that he's going to use the entire length of he's going to go from the bridge to the water and put at least a hand, probably a head in the water. So, which is, I think that's a full experience. So he did 2 last time, right?
He did 2 front and back.
He did a front and a back.
But
Well, now he's going to head dip. That's the complete experience.
he will have done it all. Awesome.
The main thing here is when you go for the water, feel the cords catch it. Don't look at it. Tuck your chin. Grab your wrist. Punch through that water.
Yep.
You can do it. If you want to hold the camera out to the side, you can still do it with just one.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that. All right, man. You ready to do this? Yep. All right. Get your toes out on the edge here. Feel a little weight.
Yeah, I do.
All right, Bill, you ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
All right, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Talk about a dip.
2, 1.
Oh my God!
Crap. Ow. Okay. Ow. I gotta be honest, that was really painful. It was cool, but coming out, felt like I was gonna throw up.
Oh no, it's just, I was just like waiting for the impact and then all of a sudden,
We can take some off there.
the drop was cool.
You want to stay dry or keep going with the water? We can take a little bit off of that. Still get you in.
I want to stay dry.
Stay dry now? All right.
Yeah.
Yep.
I like got the one dip just to do it, but
It was not just a dip. You're like wet to your waist.
yeah.
How'd it feel?
I'm glad I did it, but that hurt really bad.
To his waist.
Listen, our body is.
Yeah, I am.
Wow! 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh my god! Woo! That went way better. Okay, that was really good. Now I'm just getting wet. Jeez. I'm still shaking like crazy. Holy crap! That was so much scarier. I missed. Come on, grab it. Let's go. Yes, sir.
All right, here we go, Logan. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! just chilling there.
Nice jump, Logan. We felt more confident on that one. Looked good. Oh, yeah.
The cold air is only making it worse.
Great job, Logan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What do you experts think? Pretty good jumps there, Logan had?
Yeah. Everyone kept getting better.
It felt like way cooler because like the first few times I went, I kind of just did like a simple little like jump to get over. But during these jumps, I tried to like get out a little bit more, so it felt more like a proper bungee jump.
How'd you feel? How'd Logan do?
I think Logan did excellent. Followed directions, no hesitation. He jumped right when the countdown. Did a good head dip. On his third dive, you could see he had more confidence. Yep. I just think he did an excellent time.
Well, we highly recommend vertigo jump bungee. Get some more people out here jumping.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Spread the word.
Thanks.
I'm just glad we have the head dip on video.
You got it on the GoPro too?
Oh yeah. I'm so glad I came back here to do these jumps again. Like every jump just felt better and better, and it was just more fun every time. So I'm so glad I got the opportunity to do it because not that many people get to do that, especially in one day.
A little chilly now?
A little bit. The cold water and the cold air doesn't mix well.
Look fun.
Oh yeah, it was fun.
We had an awesome time here at Vertigo Bungee. Logan did a head dip. They said, well, you're trying to get your head, maybe your shoulders in the water. He went all the way down to his knees. He went halfway to the bottom of the river. I thought he was going to come out with a fish in his mouth. But he did 3 awesome jumps, and the people here are so cool and supportive, and really, really love these folks. And beautiful time, beautiful view, great father, son. You're wet. I don't want to give you a hug. But man, we are living the epic life. That is for sure. So Logan, anything to say here to the epic life viewers?
Don't hesitate to do anything in life or you'll regret it.
That's good. That's good. Face your fears. Make it happen. Take that jump. Over and out. Logan, our favorite song came on. Yeah. By our favorite, I mean my favorite.
It's not even a bad song. You just played it so well.
We just bungee jumped together. And then Here I Go Again comes on the radio, and Logan goes,
Like on the actual radio, he didn't even start playing it like on his phone or anything. It genuinely popped up on freaking 92.1. Ah!